Guys, I got this amazing box from the Canva. So let's unbox this into this video. Let's open this amazing box. So here we have our inside the box. Okay, let's keep it aside. This one also. Inside the box we get another brand new box also. This is for Canva World Tour. So let's open this amazing stuff today. Okay, so here we have a couple of things. The brand new camera. Okay, now amazing stickers for my laptop. It's really amazing. And other one is diary. This is really cool. This is really amazing. This diary is amazing. And some clip pens, and these are some more stickers, and these are bags, and there is a phone strap. Okay, this 1 2 3. Oh, also I am getting the ticket of our Canva World Tour flights. Now I'm going to on a World Tour by using this amazing ticket. You can also enjoy. Okay, so we have, I really like this box. First of all, you can see how crafted, how beautiful the box is. Imagine a world tour of learning. This is amazing. I will definitely share the review of this amazing camera with all of you. So stay tuned for amazing and cool and more stuff. Bye. That's it for this amazing video.